Student, we are starting the next chapter of Business Studies, Chapter 8, Controlling. We are starting a new chapter. The first video of that chapter, we are discussing about the meaning of controlling and the definition of controlling. So, what is controlling and why controlling is required? After planning, organizing, directing, to give the instruction to their subordinate, what is to be done, where is to be done, how is to be done, and what tasks they have to be performed in their job position. So up to that directing, we are give the direction, but not giving only the direction to the subordinates. It is not achieving the organizational result. While the workers in the organization work, they give the direction. After direction, there is a need of the controlling them if they work according to the directions or not. If there is any deviation in the controlling or in the plant performance to the actual performance, they find it and clarify it and solve it, and then controlling is required there to see the workers are working according to the plans or the instructions or not. That's why there is directing is needed. Directing is a continuous process while the one task is completed and give the direction to them. While when one task is completed, so for the other task there is a need of the directing in the organization. So the introduction of controlling. So controlling is very important managerial function. It is concerned with taking necessary measures or prevention actions to ensure achievement of organizational goal. While organizational goals are important, they are set up earlier. So we give the direction and seeing them the workers are working according to our direction or not. So the controlling is very important for the working. The next is the meaning of controlling. Controlling function can be defined as accomplish of actual performance with the planned performance. While controlling is measured with the planned performance, with the actual performance, and if there is any deviation, they find it and rectify them for that deviation to achieve the organizational goal efficiently and effectively. If there is any difference or deviation, then define seriously for the such deviation and take corrective measures or action to stop those reasons, so that in further there is a match between the actual performance or planned performance. After that, we are discussing the definition of the controlling. This definition of controlling defines controlling is determining what is being accomplished. First of all, we know that what we want to be achieved and what we want to be complete. So what we check there. So controlling is checking the workers according to their instruction given by the senior. So they know it what they are to be accomplished. That is evaluating the performance. When we know that what the workers can be performed, we know that, and then we are evaluating their task. And if necessary, apply corrective measures. While if there is any deviation between the plan and the actual performance, they apply the corrective measures to improve it, so that the performance take place according to the plan. That's why the controlling is very important working in the organization. So we control the workers, we see them the actual performance and the planned performance are equalized or not. Thank you and have a nice day.